Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. This is so exciting to be talking to you about partner visas. Again, I'm so excited, so excited. Um, Welcome. I'm Nicolette, and I'm your registered migration agent and founder at AIVS Immigration and Visa Services. Today, we're going to be talking about all about my tips about partner visas and talking about the four aspects of the relationship that the case officer looks at when they assess your application. Let's talk about the two types of partner visas. So, the onshore partner visa, the 820, 801, is for those that are onshore and who hold a substantive visa, such as a tourist visa or student visa. Now, in certain circumstances, the applicant may still be holding the bridging visa. Um, this gets a little bit complicated. So this means I'll have to meet Schedule 3. But I'll talk about this in another video in a few weeks' time, actually. Yeah, I'll do that for you guys. And then we have the offshore partner visa, which is a 309 100 partner visa. Now, let's talk about the three areas that you can be eligible for when you apply for the partner visa. So you can be married to your sponsor, be in a de facto relationship, or you have to be at least 12 months prior to lodging the application with your partner, or have a registered relationship. So, with certain states in Australia, such as Western Australia, doesn't have the option to register your relationship. So, in this case, for example, you would need to show 12 months of your relationship or get married if you can. Let's dive into the four aspects a little bit deeper now. So let's start with the social aspects. We need to show the case officer that you are socially known by your friends and family. So, for example, you might like to add things like screenshots of your social media posts when you go out and about with your friends, statements from friends and family, photos together, which is a really important one to show that you've met in person. With photos in particular, I like to add a date and who is in that photo just to stipulate, who you're with and just to really give a story to the case officer. Yeah. Nature of commitment to one another. So, this is a big one as well to also include in your application. So things like gifts to one another, joint super beneficiaries, communication whilst apart is also very crucial. So they want to see both call logs and communication, written communication whilst apart. You can download these from WhatsApp. So WhatsApp allows up to 3 years of history. So yeah, get as much evidence as you can. I also like to include flight tickets if you can from visiting one another. That's also good as well. Nature of household. So this will be a lot easier if you're in Australia together, living in the same home. So things like joint lease, joint utility bills. You might also like to add each other's mail. So online shopping, showing the same address, maybe doctor's appointment invoices, or even you might like to add when you like purchase things for your home. I know some places do give you like an invoice receipt which has the address on there. So things like that. Financial aspects. Now, I've left this till last only because the case officer puts a lot of assessment and scrutiny into this area of your relationship. Now, we all know and they know that not every relationship is going to be the same in terms of the level of documents they have, and it's just going to be different for everyone. So, those that are offshore, it's a bit hard to have joint accounts. So, you can get things like joint financial transfers through Western Union. So as long as it's consistent, doesn't matter how many times, doesn't matter how much, just to show that consistency of financial support. Or if you are in Australia, joint accounts are crucial to also show that financial commitment to one another. Now I know this seems a bit silly because for example, with me and my partner, we don't have a joint account. We have individual accounts, and so we just pay for who can pay for that bill, or who can pay for that dinner, who can pay for that item that we pick for our home. It just depends. But for the purpose of the partner visa, please open up a joint account. And then in certain circumstances, you have bought a house with one another, so you can show that joint purchase of your home. So, how I like to put my applications together and how we assess even before we lodge the partner visa is in the initial consultation, we make sure that we get all the dates right of that relationship. We also go through with that person all the four aspects of the relationship and what they have thus far. If we're happy, we're good to go. If there's some areas that have gaps, we suggest a little bit more documents to add and to start doing up until we get ready, until we pretty much lodge. Yeah, because I mean it's 9,095. It's a lot of money, and we really want this to be as strong as possible for the case officer to show them that my clients do have a continuing and genuine relationship to one another. So if this overwhelms you in terms of what evidence to put, how to put it all together, contact us through email, through our website, make an appointment through them, or through my Instagram, which I will have a link to it at the bottom of this video. Guys, also don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll be doing a lot more videos about partner visas in the next few months up until Christmas. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for listening. Bye.